How to make Instagram ads. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make Instagram ads for your Instagram's business page, let's get started. First and foremost, make sure that you have updated your Instagram application and connected it to the Facebook page. Then go to your profile and tap on Professional Dashboard. Here you will see an option called as Add Tools under Your Tools. Tap on it and then tap on the Create button. Choose the post that you want, which could be stories, your reels, or the post itself. Once that is chosen, you can select the goal. Once you have selected the goal, tap on Next. On this page, you'll have to select your audience. It could be suggested audience, special or category, or you can create your own as well. After that, you have to choose your budget. You can move in with the slider to select the budget. After that, you have to click on Boost Post. Once that is done, it will give you a non discrimination policy. Tap on it. After that, tap on Boost Post. After that, you'll have to add the payment method for the advertisement. And once all of this is done, you can publish and make Instagram ads. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.